Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here today to review another new set of Aimeili gel polishes. This is a set of 12 bottles. All these bottles are 8 ml, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a look inside. And so here are all the bottles out of the package, and as I mentioned before, these bottles are all 8 ml and the color numbers range from 178 to 189. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you up close the formula and the color for each one of these. And what I'm going to do, rather than doing the swatches for all of them on camera, I've already swatched them on a color wheel, and then I will show you what those colors are. They're absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and start by the first one and show you the formula. So here's number 178. This 178, it's pink, but I'm going to say it has a very, very light lilac undertone. Beautiful color. Number 179, I am going to describe this more as a blush color, very light. And so also all these colors, all these gels are creams. Beautiful 179. And here's number 180. Beautiful lilac. I do love this shade of lilac. How pretty that is. And then 181, keeping with the lilac family, this one is a very light, very pastel-like, very pretty lilac. Also a cream. It's 182, and 182 I would say it's a pastel-like pink. There's that color. Now we have 183, and 183 is the first one of a range of different grays. So this one is the lightest of all of them. It's a very pretty gray, nice neutral color. Moving on to 184, it's a deeper gray, but I will actually say, so when you look at this out of the bottle, it looks black, but you're going to see the swatch of it. I was very pleased to get this color because it actually goes more as it's a jelly black or an iridescent, I'm trying to say it's a clear, like, you know, this jelly black polish, you know, something like what we will try to do or custom make ourselves, mixing a black gel with a clear jelly. That's what you have here. So I'm really pleased to have this already mixed up on its own in a bottle. 184. Next we have 185. It's a much deeper, richer gray. There it is. 186, I love it, guys. It's a green. Yes, a very muted green, and some of you might describe it as a kind of like a military green. I just love every shade of green gel polishes, don't you guys? Oh, those of you who like the greens, and I know one of you, Aimeili, I'm going to go ahead and mention you because I know you're a fan of green color polishes. Here's 187. I'm going to go ahead and show 187 side by side with 188 because on the swatch wheel you're going to see that they're very similar. Here's 188. Is almost difficult to tell the difference between the two, but yes, these are very dark, deeper grays. To finish the collection, 189 takes you to a totally different spectrum with a deep burgundy. Check it out, beautiful color. Okay guys, so here are the swatches on my color wheel, and I'm going to go in reverse color from the last one to the first. There's that burgundy. The two grays that I show you, I don't know if you can tell, it's hard to, let me go ahead and put this against the white here. There is a difference if you have a good keen eye. I can see the difference between these two grays. This one seeming slightly darker than that one right there. But yeah, from far away you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference between the two. There's that beautiful military green. Then there's another gray, but you can see how it's different in shade. So it's got some undertones, different undertones there. Here's the jelly black. See that? You can see through that. So I'm glad to have that. That's different. I'm glad to have that as a jelly. Here's the light gray. Then we go into the pinks. and lilac. There's that very pastel light pink. Then we have the pastel lilac, and then more brighter lilac, the blush, and this beautiful pink with a very light lilac undertone. So here they all are again, guys. Gorgeous colors. So you have your dark colors for the fall season. Yeah, there you go. And then on this collection, so you also have some soft pinks and pastels to take you into the spring. How fun is that? Now I'm interested to know if which of these will be your favorites. If you like this combination of the light pastels with these darker grays, more like fall colors. Let me know what you think of this collection put together. I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me these gorgeous gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.